We're going to ask each other some questions today. Have a little bit of fun.
Do you have any tattoos?
What do you think?
I love Joe's and Jeff stuff. Please sponsor us.
Yeah. Hello, welcome to Kitchen Tales, the podcast where we bring in small businesses, we talk about our own businesses, we have a laugh and do lots of things fun. Hello, Colleen.
How are you?
I'm very well. How are things with you?
Generally okay, but this week has been a bit stressful. So I try and sort out all my HMRC stuff, is what I call it, this side of Christmas, because the Christmas season is really busy for me, and in January I just want to relax. And I've been stressed out. So I've been really stressed out because I use this accounting system, Xero. That's Xero with an X, and it's been really good for the last few years, but it's just been a little bit glitchy. And it's like, I've come to a point where it's like, I've been trying to do my own accounts. As most people know, I've got an accounting background. Yeah. And I've got no idea what I'm doing.
You probably know a lot better than me, because I do my own accounts. Well, my husband does my own accounts. But
it's it's really been stressing me out. And you also made me think, I think recently, for Kitchen Tales, we've been doing a few invoices and we signed up with Tide and then...
Yeah. Not getting on with them at all. Well, we're keeping it. But
but it's costing us and things like that.
Us.
So it just really got me to start thinking about everything, accounting. I was like, I have a bit of knowledge with all these things, but there's many other small businesses or even other large businesses that struggle with this. And it just got me thinking about, what do people do? So has your husband always helped and supported you? Or
he has. Yeah. He's got more of an idea than I have.
Yeah.
I mean, it would just stress me out. But whether we're doing it the right way, I don't know.
I'm pretty sure you would be, because the taxman would have come for you. Yeah,
that's true, actually. That's very true. Yes, yeah. I mean, we're honest.
Yeah.
Of course we're honest.
Yeah.
So, it is difficult.
It can be a minefield, because
it is
so many things to think about and so many things that you need to do. And today we actually have an amazing sponsor who are VCK accounting services. So it made me realize that a lot of people need someone like them, because what VCK do, they've got chartered accountants that they work with, and they provide services, so tax services and digital accounting, so they can do your bookkeeping, they can help any small, medium or large businesses, or even some people that are just professionals. So if somebody's working in the care industry, for example, they're a nurse or a doctor and they want to do their own accounts, they can help with that as well. And recently they actually wrote a book. So their lead accountant, Vimbai, has written this book, which is The Numbers Behind the Business. So I had a read of this book and it's absolutely incredible. I just thought more and more people need to know about this. So it is actually a book that's written for you to be able to understand the numbers that are behind the business, for you to actually understand what a P&L is, for you to understand what all the things that you're actually submitting to HMRC, what they mean. So I just want to encourage anyone out there who's struggling like how I have been. This could be your solution to get this book, which you can find on Amazon. We'll put some links on our social media, which is The Numbers Behind the Games, which was written by Vimbai. Or you can actually contact VCK to be able to help you do your accounting. Because, as we said, we don't want to get it wrong.
Yeah. The advantage with this book, reading this book, is actually it's quite user-friendly as well.
Exactly.
Because some of these accountancy books, there is too many words I wouldn't actually understand. So actually it's quite easy to read.
It is. And it's like quite a small book, and it's like you just get all the information that you need. So reading here is like 140 pages. So, and you can reference it throughout your business journey. So yeah, check this book out. So what else have you been up to this week?
What have I been up to? I don't know, Colleen. Yeah. It's just that time of year, isn't it? You're just bouncing from one thing to the next. Yeah. I've got my daughter who's away on a school trip at the moment, so she's in Madrid having a great time.
That's awesome.
Which is wonderful. And I'm just holding the fort back at home, still working on events, lots going on, and it's the busy busy time of year.
Yeah, it really
Very
is.
busy time of year. We're going to ask each other some questions today. Have a little bit of fun. So I've got some questions that I'm going to ask you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Okay. So if you were to buy a takeaway, where would you go?
Ooh. Oh, wow. That's quite a hard one, you know. But I would say, I'll speak about the last takeaway that I got. I actually got it from Lebanese House. So it's the Lebanese restaurant that is in Newbury, and we love their food there, and we usually go in and sit in. But yeah, recently we got it as a takeaway. So I would say the Lebanese House.
Okay.
How about you?
I'd probably say The Gun, which is a curry restaurant. Well, it's a pub in Wash Common, very close to the rugby club. Absolutely delicious. That's our go-to. It's also closer to us as well, rather than going into Newbury. And we all love a curry.
Oh, I love a curry. I've heard many people talk about it, but I've actually never experienced the curries.
Yeah, you should try it.
That's what we can do this week.
Next question.
Yes.
What is your store cupboard staple, and where would you get it from?
Ooh, good question. So I would say paprika. I know people are going to think that's so crazy because I put paprika on everything. So I'll say paprika, and I tend to get it from the fresh shop because they do like 1 kilo in 2 kilo bags, and I just decant it into my small little spice little tubs.
Yes.
So so I would probably say that.
Okay.
Spice.
Yeah.
Paprika.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah. Well, we recently had Mac and Malaysia on recently, and I tried one of their sauces, the sambal sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious. So it's definitely one of my favourites now for the store cupboard.
I love that.
Right, next question. Meeting a friend for coffee, where would you go?
Ooh. I mean, when you start talking about coffee and Newbury, the first thing everyone's like, we've got too many coffee places.
There's so many.
And you do, there is so many. So I'm actually going to say a few places because it depends who it is. It sounds crazy, but if it's somebody that's coming that's new to town, I tend to actually take them to Marvelous simply because it's more countryside. A lot of my friends live in big cities and they like the country lifestyle.
Yeah.
So we'll start off in Marvelous, then we'll head into town and grab a coffee from Milk and Bean.
Yeah.
Then we will get a pastry. Literally, we've done this recently. We would actually go to all these places all in one day. That's part of us catching up as well between traveling and walking through the places. So Marvelous first, and we usually get some of their croissants. Then we'd go to Milk and Bean for their coffee.
Yeah.
Then we'll actually go to Brew Blood and get one of their pastries. And I really love their one of their lattes that they do. And then we'll probably end up at Mio Fiore getting a little pastry.
Oh. That's a lot of coffee.
It's a lot of coffee.
That's great.
And how about you, Rona? Where would you go?
Marvelous.
Yeah.
You've said it, but it's on my doorstep. It's 1 minute down the road, so if that, so it's there.
You can
if
just
I'm
walk.
going to, I can just walk, and it's easy, and it's lovely, delicious coffee, and and the pastries there are actually very, very good as well.
Yeah.
So I'd say there.
Amazing.
What kitchen gadget can you not do without?
Oh, I have to say my little ninja chopper.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I offended Z one time because we were at an event and I'd brought my ninja chopper and I said, oh, that was the best employee today. And he was like, you what? We've all just been working so hard and you actually thank the ninja. So I would say that is I can't do without it. How about you?
I would say, I'm not going to say that.
Ooh.
You think I'm going to say Thermomix, aren't you? Yes. Well, I thought I wouldn't say that because yes, that is high up there.
Yeah.
But I'm going not electrical. I'm going for my Joseph, all my my spatulas.
Oh,
thing.
I love those.
And I take them everywhere.
Yeah.
There's one particular one that is you can't buy it anymore, and I've got 3 of them.
Do you?
And I haven't lost any.
That's
and if I do, I've still got the other 2. But it is my favourite one, and I take it everywhere. And it's one of the longer ones for things like little fish cakes, all the dainty little things.
And then you can use it.
And I can't do it without it. So
I love Joe's and Jeff stuff. Please sponsor us.
Yeah. Saturday night, you're not working.
Mm.
What would you cook for the family?
Ooh. So my kids really likes burgers, and I like to make them from scratch when I'm making them at home. So I would say we'd make some burgers on a Saturday night. We always want to do almost like a fake away. So it's either that or we actually all make our own pizzas and put the toppings on. So yeah,
Yes.
I would say burgers.
Okay.
How about
Yes. We spend all our time cooking during the week. So actually, I want something quite easy. So
you?
it's steak and chips.
Oh,
Steak and chips, meat from Griffin's
Mhm.
in Newbury. That's where we always get our meat from.
love it.
With some vegetables and some vine tomatoes.
Oh,
That's
great.
our staple. We actually had it last Saturday.
Oh, did you? Oh,
Yes.
Yeah. And they do some of the best steaks, don't they?
Yes.
I mean,
they
all the
do.
meat, both of us are
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
huge fans of the
Yes.
Griffins. Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
What is your ideal holiday destination
Mm.
for the cuisine?
Ooh. I mean, this is an easy one for me. It has to be Cape Town in South Africa because I've had some of the best food of my life when I went to Cape Town. And when you're converting the pounds to the South African rand, it feels like you're having amazing food for cheap. So a lot of amazing steaks, a lot of different fruits from across the world. They just have a really beautiful restaurant scene. And of course, being in Cape Town, pairing everything with the wines and getting them for a quarter of the price that we pay here. Definitely Cape Town, South Africa for me. How about you?
I'd say the Far East.
Mm.
We went to Singapore. We've been to Singapore a few times and actually love all the street food.
Yeah.
It's amazing and quite reasonable as well. The chicken satay, the noodles, pad thai.
I'm hungry.
Yes.
I'm always hungry.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes. We need to go out for lunch now, don't we?
That's awesome.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I would say knitting,
Yeah.
but I have not knitted in a while. I've not finished a project. He's probably going to be watching this and actually rolling his eyes because I promised to make him a scarf a year ago. He still doesn't have a scarf, but I'm going to finish that. But it really relaxes me. I really enjoy knitting. I enjoy knitting so much. And I also enjoy going to an Afro dance class. So that's one of my hobbies. Most Tuesday evenings, you find me dancing at St. Bart's School in
Great
the
fun.
dance studio. And yeah, I enjoy that. How about you?
Yes. Running, tennis,
Yeah.
and I would say cooking
Yeah.
because it is a hobby for me
Yeah.
because I love doing it.
Yeah.
So,
that's so
yeah,
true.
those are the three things.
I like that.
Do you have any tattoos?
I actually don't.
No. So if you were to get one, what would you get it of?
Do you know, I've never actually liked anything enough to get it. But recently, it's actually Sue from Mac in Malaysia. She actually got a big, massive garlic
Yes.
on her hand. So I would say it will probably be a kitchen ingredient. Because I just thought that was just so funny. And I was like, actually, I might think of something. And because I like paprika, I'll get like a pepper or something. But honestly, I don't like anything enough to get it on myself.
Yeah.
But that might change as time goes on.
Yeah.
How about you? Do you have any tattoos?
What do you think?
I'm going to say no.
No, I haven't. You
I
weren't
was like,
sure then.
I wasn't sure.
No, I haven't. And I'm quite ladylike. So if I did get one, it would be something like a tiny flower, but literally hidden.
Yeah.
You'd be able to see it.
Yeah, because I'm always admiring some people that have got tattoos, but I never think that they'll look good on me. And it's like I like them on other people, but on me, I just can't imagine myself having them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this was so fun. Do you have any other questions?
No, that is it.
Yeah, no, it's really great for us to just catch up.
Yeah,
At this height of a very busy season, it's just nice to have a light-hearted episode. And I look forward to catching up with you and hopefully catching up with a guest very, very soon. So what are you having for dinner tonight?
What am I having for dinner? I'm having chicken tonight. It's a new recipe. There is spelt in it. There's butter beans. There's chicken stock and garlic and bacon and leeks. They're very quick and easy. So you basically fry up the leeks and the bacon. You cook the chicken thighs in the liquid. So you add the chicken stock, the spelt, and some creme fraiche and some mustard.
That sounds nice.
Yeah.
You might have to. I might have to rewatch this. So I can get that recipe.
Yeah. How about you?
So we're actually celebrating a friend's birthday, and we're off to the Woodspin.
Lovely.
So we're going there. I haven't been for a little while.
Great.
So we're going to be celebrating there. And I haven't looked at their current menu. So I'm just going to choose when we get there.
Wonderful. Have a great evening.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching or listening to us. You can find us on Instagram at kitchen.tales. You can find us on Spotify, on Apple Podcast, or all other platforms that you can find a podcast. Thank you.